What's up guys, Daniel here. XRP still has a probability to go up another 83%. I just posted on my Twitter account about XRP potential move in the future. Follow my Twitter account, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. The trades are sharing the private list on the last 48 hours. We just made 360%. I made $36,000. Trades are sharing the private list are Pixie, Dreamverse, Snook, MicroChain Golf, Synapse, guys. A lot of money. The whole secret sauce is to buy low before the pump and sell up high. Let me show how this thing done. MicroChain, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on 12. We bought this coin for 0.008. Put a seller up here. Daily resistance, guys. 0.015. We made 100% profit. Look what happened. Buyers still controlling the market. How I found this coin, this pump? Right here. Go to CoinGecko. Go to MicroChain. Go to the 7-day charts. Pay attention to this number right here. On July 10, the volume of this coin was $27,000. On July 11, the volume was $167,000. Guys, volume pump from $27,000 up to $167,000, which gives me a confidence the buyers are controlling the market. What do we do? I share my trades in the private list to increase the buyer powers. More buyers buying right here, price goes up faster. We put a seller up here. Guess what? The price continue going up. That's what we talk about. Before the pump, there is a volume pre-pump. That is what I'm tracking right now. Like I mentioned before, we just made $360,000, 360%, $36,000. Okay, another example here. Exactly the same thing, guys. We trade this coin, Synapse. This coin made 40%. I shared this trade in the private list on July 12. We bought this coin for 63 cents. Put a seller up here. Daily resistance always, guys. 90% profit. I made $4,000. Same thing. Go to Synapse, CoinGecko. Go to 7-day charts. You're gonna be impressed what's gonna happen. Take a look at this. On July 10, volume was $2.4 million. July 12, volume was 3.3. That's what we talk about, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. If you like to get those trades real time, feel free to reach me out. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Put your name inside the private list so you get those trades real time. Also, we can trade for you, provide you 25% of return of investment per week, guys. We trade for you, and I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Daniel from South Beach, Miami.